the reason I got you to stop here is I noticed something. Go ahead and turn them off. So if you notice the setting you have right here on the lights, you're in the parking light modes. Your headlights are not on.
I'm in parking lights?
Yeah, so there's different settings, right? And if you turn it all the way down, twist it all the way down, that turns them right off. Okay. One more notch up, that puts it on auto, so it works with dawn and dusk, you know, it'll come on. One notch up, that's just your yellow lights. It turns off your headlights in case you're parked behind somebody and you don't want to blind them and piss them off, so you just put your yellow lights on. And that makes you more visible at nighttime without blinding anyone in front of you. And then one more up.
High beams?
Yeah, no, that's not your high beams.
That's regular?
That's just your regular headlights, yeah.
Okay.
But your high beams are on here. See that blue light?
Yeah.
So at some point you might have pushed the whole stick forward. Just pull the whole thing back towards yourself and that turns them off.
Oh, that's why I was confused.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then
that's high beams.
That's high beams.
Got it.
Like out on the highway or whatever.
Okay.
And another thing I want to show you too, because I noticed a couple times, if you just touch this down and let it go, it'll go through a cycle of 4 flashes. You might think it's still on and then you try to turn it off, but you don't have to. It'll just turn off by itself. So you just kind of...
Yeah, I think I usually push it down and
yeah.
go back.
Yeah,
so
which is fun.
Do you think they'd give me trouble for that?
Not at all.
I don't know why. I like this a bit more.
Yeah, that's fine. You can do that, no problem. They don't give you any grief about any of that.
Nice.
So okay, we're good to go. We'll take off. Perfect. All right, we're off to the next hill.
All right. Just going straight?
Yep.
Got it.
Bit bumpy through here. Good turbulence.
Yep.
I remember flying out to Montreal there one winter, going to see Black Sabbath, Ozzy Osbourne.
Oh, yeah.
And I was with my son. It was his first time on the plane. And all of a sudden we hit turbulence, like it was a major snowstorm, and the plane's going up and down and all, you know, and I'm like, what's the matter? You know, I'm used to this. Feels just like I'm on the road. We're gonna make a right turn at the yield sign up here.
Sure. So these I just want to treat like a speed bump?
Just like a speed bump, yep. Just so you have enough time to respond if anything's coming.
Yeah.
Your turns are great, by the way. Your textbook turns, so no issues. I'm not seeing any issues, really, to tell you the truth. Yeah.